Hi students. As promised, I've written out some guitar licks or guitar riffs in tablature form. And this one is Daytripper by the Beatles. Now it's probably a song that you could say was written around the riff itself. And remember, the numbers are the frets, and in most cases it just happens to be the fingers as well, because we're playing in the first position, and then the numbers are on the strings. So this is not a staff. This isn't 5 lines and 4 spaces. This is 6 strings, and it's almost as if you're looking at your guitar upside down, because at the top is the first string, the string that's normally closest to the ground, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So Daytripper begins on the 6th string, and of course the tabs don't show you the rhythm, but you have to know it. And this one goes like this. So it's open, and then 3, 4, 2 on the A string, so it's 2 on the A string, and then 2 on the D string, 2 on the A string, and then 4 on the D string, 2 on the A string. So once again, open E, 3, 4, 2, 2, 2, open, 2, 4, 2, open, 2. Let me get a little bit closer here. So it starts off open, three, 4 on the E string, then 2, 2's on the A string, then it goes up to the D string, and then it's open D, 2 again on the A string, and then on the D string, 4, 2, open, 2. Then you should know that after a few times it goes up to the next string. So that again was on the open A. That's Daytripper. Now the chords that finish it, so it's then the drums, then the words, she's a good teaser, she can have it. Then F, one-way ticket girl, A, G sharp, C sharp, and D. So the chords were F sharp, one-way ticket, yeah. It took me so long. A to G sharp to C sharp to B. Then all right, have fun with that. The chords are a little bit tough. That's going to be in about 8 weeks. We'll learn the bar chords. But until then, have fun.